Welcome to TT's Corner. Today I want make a little video. I want to encourage people to go and support Mr. Vegas's new music called Trapped, especially ladies with young kids. Mr. Vegas not only say something, he do something. And what I'm talking about, Mr. Vegas and I, we have something in common. We despise pedophilia. And he made a music with Queen Etana. And I want people to go and listen to that music. And for the victims of pedophilia, when you go and you listen to that music, it is in my spirit to tell you to write the name of the person and where they're from. I believe that you should name them and shame them in 2025. So, yes, people, go listen to that song called Trapped by Mr. Vegas. And I think it's gonna move something inside of you. And this is why I'm telling people that I love Mr. Vegas, because he's a man who stand up for right, and he's a principled man. And I'm telling you, respect you every time I stand with the victims. Yes, go listen to Trapped. Thank you, and God bless you.